All right, guys, I thought I'd make a video about a cool thing that my daughter is doing in class. Now she's learning a bunch of words, right? So some Flat Stanley or something novels, compound words. So I wanted to show you guys so you don't go, oh, the guy's lying. He's just making things up. All the haters, the commenters. YouTube. Anyway, we play this fun little game. This is how it works. While I was asking her how to spell and write these words, I was coming up with a story using those words. So since I have the words right here, I'm going to try to remake the story that we were talking about. So it started with the word have. So I have a friend. That's how the story began. Let's see how it goes. I have a friend who told a story. No. That didn't work. That's not how it started. You see, these things, when you're spontaneous, you're trying to remember. I'm trying to remember things instead of just going with it. You see how different that is? I was trying to remember the conversation we had instead of just going with it. So maybe I'll just go with it. So I'll say, I have $100 bills, because that's the first word that's on there, have. Then there's haven't. How would I use that? I'd probably ask my friend Ryan Freeman. He's an English teacher. I haven't got the time. There he goes. I haven't got the time to deal with the money that I got. But I found, here we go, because the third word is found. I found a Bigfoot at the lake. And then there's around. So then I added to the story. So I found a Bigfoot around the lake. There it was. And then there's then. It was bigger than I thought it would be. Then, right, since the next word is then, something happened. And then there's the word them. Something happened to them. And then it says before. So before people showed up, I got to check out the Bigfoot's body. Then it says other than a little cut on his waist, I couldn't find any other scars. Then it says mother was upset. There was a dead Bigfoot at the lake, or around the lake. So there we go. The next word is toothbrush. So she used her toothbrush to grab cheese and put it in her. The next word is sandwich. As an airplane, because the next word is airplane, flew over the lake. Policeman is the next word, arrived at the scene. As a cowboy galloped across the valley. What do we have? The Bigfoot was wrapped in wallpaper, because that's the next word. And we saw a rainbow. Then the next word is downtown. Downtown, everybody was talking about the Bigfoot. Then the last two words here are family. My family was worried about the Bigfoot. And then the last word is escape. And they all escaped into a bunker. Anyway. So it's hard to do this because I'm going backwards and forwards, and I was trying to remember a conversation. So it's not as spontaneous as I would have liked this video to be. But you guys get the idea. You guys can play this cool game with your kids. So it makes it more fun, rather than just trying to memorize words and then write them down. At least you can make a story about the words, and it could be fun things. Happy times. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.